To allow or deny smart switch to access SMS in Samsung Galaxy Watch4, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find apps, and then tap apps, scroll down app screen, find permissions, and then tap permissions, scroll down permission screen, find smart switch, and then tap smart switch, scroll down the screen, tap SMS, and then tap allow to allow or tap deny to deny. If you deny this permission, basic features of your device may no longer functions as intended. Press X to cancel or press check to agree. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.